Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to celebrate Diwali away from family if you are away. 1. Decorate your home. Bring Diwali to life by decorating your space with traditional items such as diyas, rangoli, string lights, flowers, or torans. 2. Create colorful rangoli. Rangoli is a traditional Diwali decoration made of colorful patterns, often with rice powder, flower petals, or lentils. Create your own by sketching simple geometric shapes and filling them with vibrant colors. 3. Watch Diwali movies. Get into Diwali spirit by watching films that celebrate the festival or its themes of good triumphing over evil and importance of family. Like Gamakar, Zindagi Na Milegi Dubara, Swaits. Those are names, so I cannot really pronounce them. 4. Illuminate your home with diyas and flickering candles. You can also light sparklers or even enjoy a small fireworks display if it's safe and allowed in your area. And finally, celebrate in style by dressing in traditional Diwali attire, like a colorful sari, kurta, or sherwani. Encourage your friends or family to join in and make it a more authentic celebration. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.